Morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning out here in Carolina Beach. It's gorgeous. And we're headed up to Beaufort, North Carolina. It's about 6:04, so we're getting ready to get underway. I'm going to start the engine, light the fires, and kick the tires like my favorite sailor says. What's going to happen is going to happen out there. See you out there. Motor sailing right now, trying to make the seas comfortable. Probably 3 to 4 foot swells about every 4 seconds or so. Should calm down over time here. Some are pretty big actually. Some might be bigger than that. Once in a while we get a big one. This one right here. The mainsail's up. Partially reefed. Got it pulled over so it doesn't flop around. Going about 7 knots or so, making good time. Earlier, we had a really crappy point of sail. Well, I was under engine too, and I was going out almost like the seas were to my beam, so that kind of sucks. So I headed out farther into the waves, like more at a 45-degree angle. Now I'm coming back in with them on my quarter, starboard aft quarter, which is a nicer point of sail, of course. Plus I have the sail up too, which helps stabilize the boat. But I don't have a heck of a lot of wind out here. And I don't even have the wind direction I expected to have. All the programs were saying the wind was going to be out of the south. It's not out of the south. It's like out of the west. Which I kind of would have predicted after a low goes through, but I don't know. So yeah. So I am sailing, motor sailing. Back from getting groceries. Little cute place. Probably about 3 miles from our anchorage. Staying away from all those nuts out there. Everybody has to go fast, fast, fast. The biggest engine. Not the biggest than 2 or 3.
When they think they have to go fast, they have insecurities about it.
Ah, okay. Okay. So us sailboat guys, we're good in that. Good in that area, I guess. Yes. Thank you. So we're having a fun dinghy ride here.
Much more fun than coming over because you're still seasick.
What's that?
You're still seasick.
Still seasick. Yeah. Yeah. It's better going back.
And to spend time on our private beach.
Right. It's like rush hour for the weekend. Rush around all week. Now the weekend we're gonna rush too. 2 hours. Jam. And all these wakes, we're not in the ocean. These are from all the boats driving. Really, really fast. This jam. Oh, and there's Harmony. Oh, Harmony, she's sitting out there by herself. Bobbing away, waiting for the boats to stop. Mary Beth at the helm, pulling us in, taking us to our dock from our anchorage that we were just at, in to Beaufort, North Carolina. She's doing a great job avoiding boats. Everybody's out here today. Well, I think it might be fewer people than yesterday, but it's a beautiful day.
With love as our guiding star, we go with the flow.